Hi guys, it's Jessica D 1987 coming at you again today with a really quick video. This is just part one of my freezer cooking for the month. Here I have some breakfast items. Right here I have about 20 carrot raisin muffins. I have some blueberry banana muffins. I have 12 ham and cheese croissants for breakfast sandwiches. I have here 12 English muffins that are sausage and cheese. And here in the front, I have 3 whole wheat pumpkin chocolate chip quick bread loaves. Here I have 3 date nut loaves. And then these are going to be used for breakfast for my kids. And I have 6 in total, so 3 of the pumpkin chocolate chip and 3 of the date nut. Also here I have about 44 freezer biscuits, and you just freeze them flat until they're hard. Then you put them into these Ziploc bags or freezer bags, and I separated them here with parchment paper so they won't stick together, and you can cook them directly from frozen at a 425-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you guys would like any recipes on any of these items, let me know in the comment section. That's all for now. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.